Okay, hold on. Oh, crap. What did chickens got with us?
There goes one. They're going in. Go, go, in. Oh, one. Okay, there's one. There's one. Okay. Get the other one. Keep
Where's
go.
that?
Keep no, just keep coming.
coming.
Keep coming.
That damn.
Oh, and two.
Oh, we got him.
Yes.
We are good. We're the chicken catchers. The chicken catchers. I'm gonna go get my eggs. Okay, where's the cream up? And you know, Kevin even said, don't, when you
What?
go in,
Don't let the chickens out.
don't put this and don't let them chickens out. Okay.
He should have left instructions.
No. See them two? See them or them two? Now, are these two gonna attack me if I stick my hand right here? No. But you gotta get them out of that nest. No. No. Girlfriend is not sticking her hand. No. Oh, God. Come on, go away. You're robbing their nest, so they're gonna peck at your feet. Hey.
Oh, you should have told her that before she did this. See, this is why I'm not in there.
You didn't tell me that now.
Ooh.
No, go away. Go away. This is kind of freaking scary. It didn't look like this on The Wizard of Oz.
They didn't pick up eggs on the Wizard of Oz, did they? The Wizard of Oz? The eggs? I don't remember that part. I just remember the flying monkeys is all I remember. The flying monkeys.
I think Annie Ann was collecting eggs.
Oh, was
in her
she?
Apron. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
She's like, go away, Dorothy.
do you have an apron for her?
Oh shoot! I forgot the apron. The what? I forgot the apron. Hey, that's just quite all right. I'm sitting here collecting eggs. How many is in there?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. See, I'm going to get in it. Is there... Okay. Now you... Wait a minute. I cannot. No. Okay,
No,
you come here and you watch this and I'll see if I can get them out. Oh my God. How many are there? I don't know, honey.
Is that normally how many do you get a day?
18.
A day? What do you do with them all?
I know. We just give them away.
Well,
that's good for it. That's good.
Well, that's better than letting them go away or rot or.
You gotta get out of there. Come on.
Oh no! Don't you have like a prodder?
You don't know how to do this neither? Oh, shut up. Get off the eggs.
Well, they don't want to.
Bless her heart.
Aww.
Ooh! Chicken cop with an attitude. She's got 4 of them there.
Okay, so what is the big deal if you just let her have them? Let her have the 4. You've got plenty.
No. Don't peck on your feet. No, Donna, this rooster's getting really pissed off over here.
Oh, don't. Okay, we don't know that. They all.
Did you notice how snappy she was? It's not a rooster. Hush up. Oh, she's
I
telling
know,
you.
back talk from you. Look at it.
Oh, she's giving you up for the road.
Oh.
Here, now, don't pet me. Oh, yeah.
Don't you have gloves for this?
No. Hush. Oh, my God. Good girl. Way to go, Donna. Now watch you jump on my back. You got any more under there? Or are you going to lay one? Oh, my God. Hurry before she goes back in there. There's 6 in there. Oh, good
Oh,
gosh.
Wow.
Alrighty. The eggs have been collected. Okay, when you open that, there's... Look at them. Get back. See, they shit. Kevin says, we gotta go to town and get We gotta go to town and get See, they can